Hey everybody, today I'm going to make some guava and cheese Cuban pastelitos. Cheers. This is pretty easy to make. Very simple ingredients and you can knock it out in 30 minutes. First, we use puff pastries, sheets. Get the sheets. Sheets. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons sugar, guava paste because this is really good. You got 1 cream cheese, 1 bar of cream cheese, and some vanilla extract. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to make our cheese. So I put the bar cream cheese in a bowl. I'm going to add the sugar on it. And what I'm going to do is also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This just gives it a little bit more flavor. I'm going to stir it up. You gotta make sure that when you put the cream cheese in there, it's at room temperature and soft. Makes it easier to mix it up. Okay, once it's all mixed up, you would put it in a piping bag, but I don't have a piping bag, so I use a sandwich bag. Check it out. Okay, it's all in there now. So I'm going to close this guy up. Now I'm going to cut the tip. That way I'll be able to pour it, you'll see. Okay, so fast forward it a little bit. I cut some guava that we're going to use in pastry. So here's a pastry puff. Comes out like this. So now you have 18 pieces, which will get you 9 pastelitos. All right, next step. Let's get this egg done. Whisk an egg. Now we get our tray with some parchment paper on it. And we're gonna lay them out on the paper. So this is what we do. Put one here. We put our guava piece, our homemade piping, put some cheese on that, and cover it. Now what we're going to do, add some of this egg to the sides. It's going to act as a like a glue. And pinch it. There you go. Here are the 9 Cuban pastelitos. I'm gonna throw them in the oven, 350 for about 30 minutes, and boom. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and these bad boys are done. I'm gonna let them cool off, and I'm gonna drizzle some powdered sugar on them, and then enjoy them. All right, so these guys are nice and cooled down, and they're ready to be eaten. But before I do that, I'm just gonna put some of this powdered sugar on top of them and finish the job. Boom! All done. Enjoy these things, because I know we are.